Hello guys! Today we're going to make Hong Kong style mango pudding. It is very easy yet super yummy. Here's all the ingredients you need. Write it down or take a screenshot. First, let's peel the mango. Then we're going to cut it to small cubes. Then cut the lemon into half because we only need half. Add all the mango into a blender. Then we're gonna add 4 to 5 big spoons of coconut milk. One spoon of maple syrup. Remember, these two ingredients are the secret step making regular mango pudding become Hong Kong style mango pudding. Now we're squeezing half lemon juice and we can start blending. Here I use the filter, but it is optional. I made a big mess here, so next time I'm not gonna use it anymore. It still tastes good. Now let's heat up the mango puree with low heat. Dissolve a packet of gelatin in boiled hot water. Now let's add it into the mango puree, mix them very well, and boil them up again with low heat. Alright, now we can put it into the jars and leave them in the fridge for at least 6 hours. Isn't that easy? Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.